Good morning and welcome back to your daily market update for Friday, April 24th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is decidedly mixed. Tech is surging while the Dow slips into the red. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up 0.3%, sitting at 711.24. The Nasdaq is the clear winner this morning, jumping 1.32% to 660.02. Tech buyers are showing up in force today, but the Dow Jones is lagging behind, dipping 0.3% to 491.53. That split tells you everything about today's rotation. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, where the real action is. Nvidia is absolutely flying this morning, up 3.76% to $207.15. That is the biggest mover among the mega caps today. Amazon is also putting up strong numbers, climbing 1.91% to $259.95. Meta follows with a solid 1.21% gain, trading at $667.12. Microsoft is grinding higher too, up roughly 0.7% to $418.62. The one laggard in the bunch is Apple, slipping just over 0.5% to $271.96. 4 out of 5 in the green is still a pretty good morning for big tech. Switching over to commodities. Gold continues to shine, up 0.7% to $434.15 an ounce. Silver is also catching a bid, rising about 0.5% to $68.73. Oil is the big story here though. WTI crude is dropping 1.44% to $132.78 a barrel. That is still an elevated level. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that tensions around the Strait of Hormuz continue to drag on. Any escalation there could send crude right back up, so keep that on your radar. Over in crypto, things are pretty quiet. Bitcoin is essentially flat, down just 0.7% at $77,969. Ethereum is seeing a bit more pressure, sliding about 0.8% to $2,314. No major catalysts moving the crypto space this morning. On the Forex front, we do not have updated readings on the euro, pound, or yen pairs just yet. We will bring you those numbers as soon as they come in. Now let's hit the headlines making waves. The Associated Press is reporting a historic policy shift. Medical marijuana licensed at the state level is being reclassified as a less dangerous drug. That could have major implications for cannabis-related companies and the broader healthcare sector. Meanwhile, The Washington Post is covering a legal feud involving Elon Musk that is revealing some unflattering details behind the scenes. And as we mentioned, the Wall Street Journal has its eyes on oil and the Strait of Hormuz standoff. So here is where we stand. Tech is carrying the market while industrials and traditional sectors lag. Oil remains volatile with geopolitical risk baked in. Gold keeps climbing as a safe haven play. Watch for any developments around the Hormuz situation. That could flip the oil trade overnight. Keep an eye on NVIDIA's momentum and whether it can hold above that $207 level. And stay tuned for any market reaction to the marijuana reclassification news. That is your morning market update. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. We will see you right back here tomorrow.